Ever wondered what a resistor actually does? Time to find out. Resistors are one of the most fundamental components in the world of electronics, and understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to dive into this fascinating field. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or just someone curious about how your gadgets work, knowing about resistors is a great starting point. They are everywhere, from the simplest of circuits to the most complex electronic devices, making them an essential topic to grasp. A resistor is a fundamental component in electronics. Its main job, to control the flow of electrical current in a circuit. But what does that really mean? Imagine you have a garden hose. The water flowing through the hose is like the electrical current. If you want to reduce the flow of water, you might squeeze the hose or use a nozzle. A resistor does something similar for electrical current. It acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that the right amount of current flows to different parts of the circuit, preventing any potential damage from too much current, to resist the flow of electrical current. This resistance is crucial because it allows us to control how much current flows to different parts of a circuit. Without resistors, we wouldn't be able to manage the current, and our electronic devices could easily get damaged. They help in maintaining the balance and stability of the circuit, ensuring that each component receives the appropriate amount of current it needs to function properly. Think of it like a bouncer at a club, controlling the number of electrons that get through. Just as a bouncer ensures that only a certain number of people enter the club to prevent overcrowding, a resistor ensures that only a certain amount of current flows through a circuit to prevent damage. This analogy helps to visualize how resistors work in a more relatable way, making it easier to understand their importance in electronic circuits. Resistors are measured in ohms, symbolized by the Greek letter omega. The ohm is a unit of electrical resistance, named after Georg Simon Ohm, a German physicist who studied the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. The higher the resistance in ohms, the more it resists the flow of current. This unit of measurement helps in quantifying the resistance offered by a resistor, making it easier to design and analyze electronic circuits. Higher ohms mean more resistance, and fewer electrons can pass. For example, a 1 ohm resistor allows more current to pass through than a 10 ohm resistor. This ability to control the flow of current is what makes resistors so valuable in electronic circuits. By selecting the appropriate resistor value, engineers can design circuits that operate efficiently and safely, ensuring the longevity and reliability of electronic devices. Resistors come in different shapes and sizes, but their purpose remains the same. There are several types of resistors, each with unique characteristics and applications. Fixed resistors have a set resistance value, while variable resistors, like potentiometers, allow for adjustable resistance. Thermistors change resistance with temperature, and light-dependent resistors, LDRs, vary resistance based on light intensity. Each type serves a specific function, making them versatile components in electronic design. They protect sensitive components by limiting current, ensuring everything works smoothly. For instance, in a computer, resistors help manage the current flowing to the processor, memory, and other critical components, preventing them from overheating or getting damaged. This protective role is crucial in maintaining the performance and durability of electronic devices, making resistors an indispensable part of modern technology. Without resistors, our gadgets could easily overheat or malfunction. Imagine if too much current flowed through your smartphone's delicate circuits. It could cause the components to overheat, leading to potential damage or even rendering the device unusable. This scenario highlights the importance of resistors in safeguarding our electronic devices, ensuring they operate within safe limits. So next time you see that tiny, colorful cylinder on a circuit board, you'll know it's doing a big job. Those color bands on resistors aren't just for decoration. They actually indicate the resistor's value. Each color corresponds to a number, and by reading these bands, you can determine the resistance value of the resistor. This color coding system is a clever way to quickly identify resistor values, making it easier for engineers and hobbyists to work with them. And that's the beauty of resistors. Simple yet essential. They might seem like small, insignificant components, but without them, our electronic devices wouldn't function as they do. Resistors are the unsung heroes of the electronic world, quietly doing their job to ensure everything runs smoothly. Their simplicity belies their importance, making them a cornerstone of electronic design and functionality. Stay curious and keep learning. The world of electronics is vast and full of wonders. By understanding the basics like resistors, you're taking the first step into a fascinating and ever-evolving field. So keep exploring, experimenting, and discovering the incredible world of electronics. Who knows? You might just invent the next big thing. The journey of learning about electronics is filled with endless possibilities, and each new discovery brings you closer to mastering this exciting field. Let's delve deeper into the types of resistors. Fixed resistors, as mentioned, have a set resistance value. These are the most common type and are used in a variety of applications. They are reliable and come in different power ratings, which indicate how much power they can dissipate without getting damaged. This makes them suitable for a wide range of electronic projects, from simple hobby circuits to complex industrial applications. Variable resistors, on the other hand, allow for adjustable resistance. Potentiometers are a type of variable resistor that can be adjusted by turning a knob or sliding a control. These are often used in applications where the resistance needs to be fine-tuned, such as in volume controls for audio equipment or in tuning circuits. The ability to adjust the resistance makes these components highly versatile and useful in many different scenarios. Thermistors are resistors that change resistance with temperature. They are used in temperature sensing and control applications. For example, in a thermostat, a thermistor can detect changes in temperature and adjust the heating or cooling system accordingly. This makes them essential in maintaining the desired temperature in various environments, from homes to industrial settings. Light-dependent resistors, LDRs, vary resistance based on light intensity. These are used in light-sensing applications, such as in automatic streetlights that turn on at dusk and off at dawn. The resistance of an LDR decreases as the light intensity increases, making them ideal for applications where light levels need to be monitored and controlled. Resistors can be connected in series or parallel in a circuit. When connected in series, the total resistance is the sum of the individual resistances. This configuration is used when a higher resistance is needed. In parallel, the total resistance is less than the smallest individual resistance. This setup is used to provide multiple paths for the current, ensuring that the circuit continues to function even if one path fails. Calculating the total resistance in series and parallel circuits is a fundamental skill in electronics. Understanding these concepts allows you to design circuits that meet specific requirements. For instance, if you need a particular resistance value that is not available as a single resistor, you can combine multiple resistors in series or parallel to achieve the desired resistance. This flexibility is one of the reasons why resistors are so valuable in electronic design. Testing resistors with a multimeter is a common practice to ensure they are functioning correctly. A multimeter can measure the resistance of a resistor, allowing you to verify that it matches the specified value. This is important in both the design and troubleshooting phases of electronic projects. By testing resistors, you can identify any issues and ensure that your circuit operates as intended. Organizing resistors is also crucial for efficient workflow. Keeping resistors sorted by their values and types makes it easier to find the right component when you need it. This can save time and reduce errors in your projects. Many hobbyists and professionals use storage boxes with labeled compartments to keep their resistors organized. This simple practice can greatly enhance your productivity and accuracy in electronic design. As you gain more experience with resistors, you'll start to appreciate their versatility and importance. They are used in countless applications, from simple LED circuits to complex computer systems. Understanding how to use resistors effectively is a key skill for anyone interested in electronics. By mastering this fundamental component, you can unlock new possibilities in your projects and take your skills to the next level. Continue your journey by exploring more advanced topics in electronics. There's always more to learn, and each new concept builds on the basics. By deepening your knowledge, you can tackle more complex projects and develop innovative solutions. The world of electronics is constantly evolving, and staying curious and informed will keep you at the forefront of this exciting field. In conclusion, resistors are simple yet essential components that play a critical role in electronic circuits. They control the flow of current, protect sensitive components, and enable precise adjustments in various applications. By understanding resistors, you lay a strong foundation for your journey into electronics. So, keep experimenting, learning, and creating. The possibilities are endless, and the next big innovation could be just around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of resistors. We hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. Remember, every great inventor started with the basics. By mastering fundamental components like resistors, you are well on your way to becoming a skilled and innovative electronics enthusiast. Keep pushing the boundaries, and who knows what amazing creations you'll come up with next. Until next time, happy tinkering and stay curious. The world of electronics is waiting for you to explore and make your mark. Whether you're building your first circuit or working on a complex project, remember that every step you take brings you closer to mastering this incredible field. So keep learning, experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with your electronic adventures.